So today, I think I'm going to try to mount the Redarc BCDC1225D charger, and I'll be using this universal bracket from Redarc. And I think I'm going to try to mount it right here in this spot, right there. So I got to remove this and relocate that somewhere. All right, so this is the Redarc. Okay, so I got the Redarc BCDC1225D all mounted up using the Redarc Universal mounting bracket. I mounted the factory horns to it also. Okay, so this red wire right here, I'm going to extend using the proper size wire. I'm going to run it all along under here, and then it's going to connect to the positive terminal of the starter battery, and it's got to be fused. With this model, it recommends a 40 amp fuse. This brown wire right here, this one's going to connect to the auxiliary battery. As you can see, it's a little short, so I'm going to extend that just by a little bit, and I am going to use a 40 amp fuse on the end of that. So this black wire right here, this is the ground. I'm going to extend it a little bit to reach over here to the side of the auxiliary battery. I'm going to use that as a ground, and from this negative terminal I'm going to also put a proper size gauge wire connected to that hole as well. This yellow wire right here, this one's for the solar. I'm not going to do anything with it right now, but eventually I'm going to connect a Anderson plug at the end of this so I can plug a solar panel into it when I need it. Okay, so with these three wires, the orange, green, and blue, I am not going to do anything with it. I'm just going to go ahead and zip tie it and tuck it away. It's not needed for my application, but if you want to know what they are for, it explains it in the manual. These orange and green ones, if you connect these, this will be used for lithium batteries. I'm running AGM batteries, so of course I don't need it. And then this blue one, depending on the type of alternator you have, this one's going to be mounted to the ignition. So like I said, I don't need any of these, so I'm just going to zip tie it and tuck it away.